Azure Devops is a robust tool for managing projects with features for planning, collaboration, and tracking progress. Here's how to use it effectively for project management. Set up your project. Create an organization. Sign into Azure Devops and set up an organization for your team. Create a new project. Choose a name, visibility, and project type. Define work items. Use backlogs to create and prioritize tasks, user stories, and features. Break large tasks into smaller work items for better tracking. Organize sprints. Plan sprints by assigning work items to specific iterations or timeframes in the board section. Kanban boards. Use a drag and drop interface to move tasks across statuses like to do, in progress, and done. Dashboards. Customize dashboards with widgets to display metrics like task completion, sprint progress, and team velocity. Integrate repositories. Link tasks with Git repositories for seamless code tracking. Communication. Use comments and mentions in work items to collaborate with team members. Reports and analytics. Monitor progress using built-in reports. Retrospectives. Conduct sprint reviews to refine processes.